it's my dinner time, and I was just thinking what to prepare for dinner. And then I remembered those prawns which were lying in my fridge for quite some time. Then I thought, let me bring them out and then prepare some special dish. So here I am to prepare prawn cutlets or patties. So I have got these prawns, around half cup. They are finely chopped. They were quite big, so I minced them finely. Then I have got all the ingredients. I'm going to mix them up in a bigger jar here. So I have got onions, finely chopped. Then these coriander leaves, finely chopped. Potatoes, mashed well. 2 potatoes, small potatoes I have used. Then there is ginger and garlic, again finely chopped. Then I have these spices. So chili powder, half teaspoon, salt, half teaspoon I have put. Then turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon. Then jeera powder, quarter teaspoon. Salt is here. Then garam masala, quarter teaspoon. So these are few spices I have used. Then I have this lime juice, half lime juice I'm taking, half lime juice. Then mix it well along with some bread crumbs. Then I'll also add the yolk of 1 egg, and white part of the egg I'll keep it separate. Now I will mix everything. I think I will use my hand now. Little more breadcrumbs I think I can put. It's about half a cup breadcrumbs. So mix well. So all the ingredients are incorporated thoroughly. Yes. Let it rest for some time. So I will beat the egg down. I'm ready to form cutlets. So make a small ball like this, and then with both the palms you flatten it, give a good shape, immerse in the breadcrumbs, then into the beaten egg, and again into the breadcrumbs. So I keep it in a plate. First dip in the breadcrumbs, then in the beaten egg, and again in the breadcrumbs. Give a shape again if you are not happy. My cutlets are ready. I made 8 cutlets and only 3 I'm going to fry now. The rest of it will go to the fridge and freezer. So in the fridge I can keep it for 3 to 4 days, and in the freezer I can keep for definitely 1 month or so. So the pan, the skillet is ready here. It is hot. The skillet is hot. I'm going to pour little oil. So I'll put the cutlets here. I think it has to be heated little more. So it will take about 3 minutes to fry on each side. Yeah. So you cook on medium flame. Look at the color. You can deep fry also using a lot of oil. This is shallow frying. I prefer shallow frying to deep fry. So I'll switch off the fan. It is quite hot. So the cutlets are ready almost. They seem to be crispy and definitely tasty. So I'll keep it on a tissue so that it will absorb all the oil, extra oil. So my cutlets are ready here, and I'm going to have it along with homemade wine. Cheers to you. Before I close this video, I want to share a thought. Patience is an important virtue. It's a process. When I hear people honking on the road without any reason, I think within myself, where is our patience gone? Let's practice patience as an important virtue in our life. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye.